Understanding mountain macro shots in photography. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that combines photography and the English language. The meaning behind the phrase, mountain macro shots. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or just looking to expand your English vocabulary, this video is for you. Let's explore together what this phrase means and how it's used in the context of photography. Firstly, let's dissect the phrase, mountain macro shots, into two parts, mountain and macro shots. The word, mountain, refers to a large natural elevation of the Earth's surface rising abruptly from the surrounding level, a large steep hill. The term, macro, in photography, refers to taking close-up photographs of small subjects, such as insects or flowers, where the size of the subject in the photograph is greater than life size. When we talk about macro shots, we're focusing on capturing details that are often too small to be appreciated with the naked eye. So, the phrase, mountain macro shots, might initially seem contradictory since mountains are vast and macro photography usually involves small subjects. However, mountain macro shots can be understood as taking close-up photographs of small or detailed parts of a mountain. This could include anything from the texture of the rocks, small plants growing on the mountain's surface, streams of melting snow, or any other detailed aspects that showcase the mountain's beauty up close. The significance of mountain macro shots lies in their ability to reveal the intricate details and lesser-seen aspects of mountains, which are often overlooked in wide-angle landscape shots. These photographs can capture the essence of the mountain's ecosystem and its minute details, offering viewers a new perspective on the majesty of mountains. Creating mountain macro shots requires not just technical photography skills but also an artistic eye. Photographers need to have a deep appreciation for nature and the patience to discover the perfect subject. This might involve hiking for hours and paying attention to the smallest details, looking for unique patterns, textures, or lighting that could make a stunning macro shot. The process involves choosing the right equipment, like macro lenses or extension tubes, and employing techniques such as focus stacking to achieve sharpness across the entire subject. The result is a photograph that allows the audience to experience the beauty of mountain details they would likely never see otherwise. We hope this video has enlightened you on the intriguing concept of mountain macro shots in photography. It's a beautiful reminder of how there's always something new to discover, even in the most gigantic landscapes, by simply changing our perspective. Whether you're an aspiring photographer or a language learner, remember that exploring new concepts and vocabulary can open up a world of beauty and knowledge. Thank you for watching, and keep learning with us.